In this video, I'll show you how to connect Beats Studio Buds to an iPhone. Today I'm working with a brand new set, but later in the video I'll explain how to connect the Studio Buds to a different device even if they've already been previously paired. To connect brand new Beats Studio Buds, simply open the charging case. And in a few seconds, the Beats connection wizard will pop up on the screen. Now tap the connect button. Here, choose how you want to end your calls. This preference can always be changed in the settings later. Here, just tap continue and the Beats Studio Buds are finished pairing. Now you can enjoy your favorite music, videos, or podcasts wirelessly. But if you have connection problems or want to connect to another device, a reset is necessary. To reset Studio Buds, press and hold the center button in the charging case for about 10 seconds or until the LED indicator blinks white and red. Let go of the button and then the LED will slowly blink white. At this point, the Beats Studio Buds have been reset. Close the lid for about 30 seconds, then reopen it to start the Bluetooth pairing process again. I'm really glad they made this whole thing so easy to do. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.